All right, everybody, welcome back. It seems like AI is just everywhere these days.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
You can't escape it, and for good reason, too. It really is changing everything for businesses.
Absolutely.
And, big and small, doesn't matter. Everybody's having to grapple with this.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're doing a deep dive right into the heart of the AI revolution.
Okay.
We're going to be talking about the teams, the AI teams that are making it all happen.
Yeah.
And we've got this really fascinating excerpt here all about the roles and responsibilities in these teams. And I got to tell you, this is not your typical IT department anymore.
No, you're right.
So help me break this down.
Sure.
What kind of positions are we even talking about when we say AI team?
Well, I mean, at the top, right, you have your chief AI officer.
Okay, the CAI?
CAIO, exactly. You can think of them kind of like the architect,
right,
sketching out this grand vision for how AI is going to be woven into, like the very fabric of the organization.
Right, throughout the whole business.
Right. Yeah, like how it's going to impact everything they do.
Got it, okay.
And then under the CAIO, you've got the AI director,
okay,
who's more like the conductor, making sure that all the different musicians, right?
Yeah.
Your data scientists, your engineers, the product managers, that they're all working together.
In sync.
Exactly, like a well-oiled machine or an orchestra.
Okay, so the CIO is thinking big picture, and then the AI director is making sure that the day-to-day is happening.
Yeah, that the operations are running smoothly.
Okay, got it.
Making sure that vision is actually translated into reality.
So how does this actually translate to, like, real-world benefits for a company? Like, give me an example.
Well, let's take the financial industry, for example.
Okay.
AI teams are developing algorithms, right, that can detect fraudulent transactions, like as they're happening in real time. And that saves banks, millions of dollars in losses.
That's wild.
Yeah, it's moving beyond those, kind of old rule-based systems and using machine learning to identify patterns that, honestly, humans just couldn't even spot.
So it's like having a superpower detective or something.
Yeah, working 24/7, never getting tired.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
What other industries are seeing this kind of big impact?
Manufacturing's another one.
Okay.
Think about using AI to predict when a machine on a production line is going to break down.
Yeah.
You can do maintenance before it actually happens.
Wow.
You avoid these costly shutdowns. You keep the production process going super smooth. That's where predictive analytics, it's like having a crystal ball telling you what's going to happen before it even happens.
So we're not just talking about cool robots or self-driving cars anymore.
Right.
We're talking about making business smarter, more efficient.
Absolutely, like at a fundamental level.
Okay.
But, there's another piece of this that I think we should talk about too, which is like the impact on the people, on the workforce.
Right.
AI teams aren't just about technology, they're about people.
Yeah.
They're encouraging like a shift in the entire company culture to be more data-driven.
Right.
Where decisions are made, based on evidence, based on data, on insights, not just intuition or gut feelings.
So you're not replacing humans altogether.
No.
It's more like you're giving humans the tools to make better decisions.
Exactly.
That's interesting. So what you're saying is it's like giving everybody a superpower in a way.
In a way, yeah. Like, think about it. Yeah. AI can handle all those, tedious and repetitive tasks.
The boring stuff.
Yeah, the stuff that really bogs us down, that takes up so much time. And it frees up humans to focus on the things that actually require creativity and critical thinking,
Yeah.
That real human touch that, AI just can't replicate.
It's fascinating to me how AI teams bring together so many different disciplines, right?
Yeah.
It's data science, it's engineering, product development, even ethics and legal expertise.
Right. It's this very interdisciplinary approach. And that's super important because AI is so powerful.
Yeah.
We have to be really mindful of, the ethical implications of using it. And that's why we see roles like, AI ethicists and legal advisors on these teams. They're there to make sure that AI development is done responsibly, ethically, and that it aligns with, human values and societal norms.
It's like putting guardrails around this incredibly powerful technology.
Exactly.
So if someone is listening to this and thinking, wow, I really want to be a part of this whole AI revolution.
Yeah.
What skills should they be focused on developing?
Well, I think the ability to think critically, to solve problems,
Yeah.
creatively and communicate effectively, those are always going to be important no matter what.
Yeah.
And then, of course, technical skills and things like programming, data analysis, machine learning, those are super valuable.
Yeah.
But also, don't underestimate things like collaboration skills and adaptability.
Being able to learn as you go.
Exactly, because this is such a dynamic field,
Yeah, always changing.
It's always evolving, so you've got to be willing to learn new things.
So it really seems like AI teams are not just shaping the future of business, but they're shaping the future of work itself.
That's a great way to put it.
And that's a really exciting future to be a part of.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, we can't predict exactly what it's going to look like, but AI is here to stay, and the people who really embrace it, who are willing to learn and adapt, they're the ones who are going to thrive.
Awesome. Thanks so much for breaking all this down for us.
Oh, it was my pleasure.
And to all of you listening, thank you so much for joining us for another deep dive.
Yeah, thanks for listening, everyone.
We'll see you next time.
See you later, Danto.